Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel a sent email in Gmail, even if you clicked send already. Gmail has an undo window that a lot of people don't notice. So yeah, we'll walk through how it works and how to extend that window so you have more time. So first, let's trigger a sample email just so you can see how this works. Go ahead and type any message and hit send. Yeah, don't worry. We're canceling it right away. Right after you send the email, you'll see a small pop-up at the bottom left that says message sent, and right next to it, there's an undo option. Just click undo immediately, and Gmail pulls the message back before it actually leaves your outbox. Now, the default undo window is pretty short, like 5 seconds, but you can increase it so you have way more time to cancel emails in the future. Let's set that up. Inside your Gmail settings, scroll down until you find the feature called Undo Send. Click the dropdown and choose the longer options like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or even 30 seconds. This gives you a bigger safety net if you ever send something too quickly. And once you set the timer, don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. A lot of people skip that part and wonder why the timer didn't update. Now go ahead and send another test message. This time, watch how long the undo option stays on screen. It should match the new timing you selected. You've basically created your own extended cancel window, and that's pretty much everything. That's how you cancel a sent email in Gmail and set a longer undo window for 2026. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials.